So we are in Woolworths right now, and a full 2022 Case K here with us. The Cars on the Road stuff, as you can see, has the street date of the 17th of July. Let's go through the box and take out what I don't want, and we're going to take what I do want. That's how we're going to roll. We've got Sally first off, just a generic re-release, not one that I care about. Then we have Cars on the Road, Lightning McQueen here. I'll certainly be taking that one. He's got his new paint job here from Cars on the Road. Quite good to see him finally. I'm glad to see some Cars on the Road stuff coming out. Then we have Cruz Ramirez as Francis Beltline with the barrel, which is a repeat from Case K. However, not from Case H, sorry. However, I do need this one, so we'll be getting that still. Two more here. We've got Colin Bohrev and Tex Dinoco, of which I knew the case. Colin Bohrev is obviously a completely brand new release. Once again, I will be getting both of those. Tex Dinoco is a fairly standard re-release. But obviously Colin I'll be getting because he's brand new. Here we go. Here's what we've all been waiting for, the Speed Demon. I really like this one. I'm glad to have gotten him. He almost looks like a Hot Wheel, but I'll be going further into detail on him in my review of him. Got two more Cars on the Road, Lightning McQueens, Road Trip Lightning. And we have Shu Todoroki and George Newwin. I'll be getting George, but Shu can go on the shelf. And then we got Charlie Checker and Road Trip Mater here, both of which I'll be getting. Same with the second Colin Bohrev, because also I want one to open, one to keep on card. Jambalaya Chimichanga, she can stay. No need for her. Transforming Lightning McQueen, brand new Thailand variant. He's not been released since 2016, so I'll be getting him. Same with Tractor Tire in Mouth, which is a completely brand new release. I won't be getting Darla Vanderson, however, she can stay. Flipped over. He's new to a single and new Thailand variant. Same thing with George Newwin. Lee Racé. He's a carrier from Case H, but once again I'll be getting him. Quite disappointing to see that they've re-released a Chase though. And then, bear with me for 2 seconds here. Winford, Bradford, Rutherford, Lightning McQueen and Lewis Hamilton. None of which I need, so they can all go on the shelf. 3, 6, 8. That's 1, 2, 4, 9, 15 that I'll be getting from the case. So I'll be going much more over them in the reviews. But let me know what your thoughts are on Case K. I'm glad to finally get some new stuff here. And please remember to like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, do all that normal stuff. And I'll see you all in the next video.